About this item fit for almost universal smart TV remote control for all Samsung Smart TV curved QLED frame LED LCD HDTV QLED SUHD UHD HDTV 3D 4K TV. Compatible with other remote models. For Samsung remotes BN59-01259E BN59-01259B BN59-01260A BN59-01241A BN59-01265A BN59-01259D BN59-01266A BN59-01242A BN59-01292A BN59-01312A BN59-01199F BN59-01301AA 59-00594 AA 59-00666 AA 59-00741 AA 59-00784 CA 59-00666 ABN 59-01178W. Even most other Samsung remote controls were working universally. No trouble. Operation: work right out of the box and without any settings. Insert 2 AA batteries, not included, to replace your original remote control thoroughly. Fast response: